Hey guys, in this full guide, I'll show you how to install or access the Google Play Store on BlueStacks in 2026. So if the Play Store is missing, not working, or you just installed BlueStacks for the first time, yeah, this tutorial will help you set everything up step by step. First, launch BlueStacks from your desktop or Start menu and wait for the emulator to fully load. Most modern versions of BlueStacks already include the Google Play Store by default. So look for the Play Store icon on the home screen before installing anything manually. If the Play Store opens normally, you'll need to sign into your Google account before downloading apps or games. If the Play Store still won't open, clear the app cache from Android settings and restart BlueStacks. Yeah, this often fixes loading or sign-in problems. Once everything is working, open the Play Store, search for any app or game you want, and click Install. And that's basically how to install or restore the Google Play Store on BlueStacks in 2026. Now you can download Android apps and games directly onto your PC without any issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.